What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. Welcome to 2021. Happy freaking New Year. And believe it or not, we got a little patch of sunshine. It's not supposed to last for a long time, but guys, let's just hope 2021 is better. And I'll say this real quick. Normally I do a rewind video of the previous year. Not even doing one this year. Why? Because we're gonna send it off, say goodbye, and never go back there again. Not, guys, seriously, it's been a bit of a difficult year, but overall, you know, you got to count your blessings. You got to be freaking grateful. You got to stay positive. It's the only way to live. We got a lot to do. Let's go. All right, boys, and real quick, I don't talk about it a lot. I do have quite a bit of merch on the website. One of which, or not necessarily merch, but product, one of which is stickers. And you can see I've got, this is the old design, and I've got red and white on each car, respectively. But I went ahead and took the plunge, and I got new stickers. These are more like my original design, but you can see these are quite a bit bigger. Not a whole lot bigger. The length is just a hair bigger. Height is just a hair bigger, but as you can see, super bright. I've also got them not only in the red, but white, silver, and of course the black. I haven't actually looked at the silver. Let's take a look at the silver real quick. But among other things, we've got the t-shirts and hoodies and long sleeve tees and on and on and on. But yeah, nice bright silver, looking good. So there you go, guys. Those will be on the website first of the year, and they look great anywhere on your Fox, I promise. Quarter glass, rear window, whatever, but definitely cool to represent, and I appreciate everybody. These things sell like freaking hotcakes. All right, boys, real quick, kind of what we're doing today, we're heading over to Jason's house, and we got some big stuff coming for his car, and a lot of changes, and we're going to talk about those. We're also, he's got this crazy noise that he can't nail down. We're going to look at that, see if we can kind of figure out what's going on there. No telling. No telling with these cars. It's Fox Body Life, I promise. It's Fox Body Life. All right, there's the hot rod right there. Looks like he's changing wheels or something. Go inside and see what's up. Not acting right again?
No.
It's definitely time. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna get into what it's time for, but yeah, it's definitely time. Don't even want to run. You said nothing's changed, it's just Alright, guys, so we got a couple things going on. Number one, had little, you said it sounded like it's coming from over here? He's got what, it's like a slight rattle. Not really 100% sure what it is. We're going to try and poke around, see what we can find as far as the, as far as what that noise is. But the second thing is, even though none of his settings have changed in the micro squirt, now the car wants to die constantly. Not running right, and he's literally gone through and put all new sensors in here, everything, and so it's basically to a point where it's time to do something else. mean, hell, it could almost be in the damn exhaust.
Well, the only thing I can think of is taking some headers back off and.
Yeah. I don't know, it's weird. It sounds like it's up here, then you get down there, it sounds like it's down there.
I mean, I think it's more on this side than it is that side, though. Now, I thought it was on that side, but I can't figure it out.
Always something. But you did get it in a line, though.
Yeah.
Better now?
Yeah.
And you got the different A-arms on it now, so.
Stock ones.
Oh, just put the stock ones back on. You gonna order some more?
Sooner or later.
Yeah.
I got other.
Yeah, other things going on. And of course, got the SVE front runners on it. Looking good. Very good comps. You can tell though the wheels they're kind of where they need to be though.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A lot better than the other one.
Yeah, it looks great. All right, so you're biting the bullet. Time to spend a little more money.
Yeah. I'm gonna go Holley.
Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, if you haven't seen the Holley storm out there, so the Terminator, is it the Terminator X or the Terminator? Yeah. The new Holley stuff is not only less expensive, it's a whole lot more intuitive than, you know, like the Micro Squirt is a great budget option. Oh, your screen turned off. But it's definitely got its limitations. I mean, what'd you get? Was it $600 for the Micro Squirt?
Well, we're right at 500.
About $500, which, you know, it can definitely.
I mean, it's not a bad system.
Yeah.
There's just nobody around here that knows how to mess with it.
Right.
So.
I mean, it's cool. I mean, you can see how the user interface is, but it just seems like one thing after another that you ran into, and I think even when we had it on the dyno, he was talking about it seemed kind of limited in what it could do, which.
Yeah, you can only go so many grabs on it.
Right. Which, you know, there again, for the money, hey, you know, it's just like buying a, you know, $20,000 car or a $50,000 car. You're going to get more. Yeah. But really and truly, though, guys, the Holley, and especially, you know, the new one that they just came out with, having seen some of the reviews and some of the install videos and stuff, that really seems like the way to go. Yeah, so there is the whole Terminator X Fox Body 5.0.
So it's the seat bracket.
Bracket on the seat. I've got some good videos on the website too. So you got your sensors, your harness, and it comes with the mini dash, which is kind of cool. Where would you even put that?
It's just a handheld, like using this.
Oh, okay.
Just do it for that.
Sweet. Just let it sit on the console in wideband, and it's a pretty hot setup. You haven't found doesn't misfire or power about the same. She beastly.
I mean, even with the Mickey Dobbins on it, it's still.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's definitely been boost weather. It's the only time I got to ride in it was hot, and you still hadn't figured the tune out.
Well,
So.
You ain't rode it since I put the ejectors in it either.
No, I sure hadn't. Shit, yeah, I definitely need to ride in that cool weather. And there, he's got the drag pack over here, so he's ready. Got the street meets. Oh man, still though, I mean, from where this car started. Yeah, yeah, stock resto and just leave it alone.
Yeah.
You could, but no, seriously though, guys, what I love about this car is like back in the day, these are what got in the magazines. This is what everybody drooled over. It's just, I ain't gonna lie, I want to build one just like it.
Another push rod?
Yeah, with the old school like GT40 top end, the Vortec, just. I mean, that's what we grew up with, you know.
You had one.
I know.
And you went Coyote.
I blew up my my Vortec car too many times and got done with it. No, I'm not gonna lie, I would have to have the Coyote too, but this right here is just.
It's fun.
Yes. And this is what, when we were like 14, 15, before we had a car, this is what we read about in the magazines. All right, guys, so we got it up in there. We're gonna try and listen to it underneath. does sound like it's on this side though. Maybe up at the collector where it hits the header. All those tight. Golly, who knows? I can't really hear it right now. The vortex sounds good though. So the verdict is, we don't know. It's weird. You can rev it up and it kind of goes away. Everything we've seen is tight, banged and prodded and picked at stuff. There's no degradation in performance at all, no misfires, nothing like that. Maybe something with the clutch. Yeah, I mean, I wiggled that earlier, but it wasn't really doing anything when I was up here looking at it earlier. It's really hard to say. So, guys, who knows? It could be anything, but when we find it, we will definitely let you know. Also, keep it tuned right here. Holley time for this bad boy. Super excited to check that out. That's going to be awesome. And we're going to let the horsepower factory hook it up? Yeah. So maybe we'll go down there and check it out while he's installing it. Get it back on the dyno and make a whole lot more power, because we don't know. We have yet to see how much power this bad boy can make. So if you enjoyed this video on supercharged black on black LX hatchbacks, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one. Happy New Year. Later.